let's learn how to create your character. Click on create, then create a character. Now from here you can choose your character. You have only two free elements here. Now from here you can choose your character. You have only two free characters here. All other ones are pro. You need to upgrade for that. I am choosing male. And you can choose any of the characters look and then customize them according to your needs. Now explore all the other tools by yourself. You can change the skin color, face cut, haircut, and a lot of more options here. You can also change the hair colors from here. If you like any of the dress but you don't like the color, you can also change the color of the same dress. Now after customizing, just save your character. It will be shown in every project you create. In the free version of Animaker, you can create only two characters. Now click on blank project. Now see what happens. Here is the character which we have designed recently. You can also change the size from here, drag and drop. In the next video, we will learn how to add some actions and smart moves to our characters. Now clicking here will take you to create another character of your choice.